criticism, be it any?
You know, I think criticism is great. I mean, तारीफ तो सब करते हैं. You know, seriously, everybody praises you. Go to a party, you go out, everybody's praising you. Who really has the guts to criticize you or tell you where you're wrong? I think it's, for me, I take it as I look at it as learning. Like, okay, I mean, I can't always be right. I'm human after all. So I must have gone wrong somewhere. And I'd love for someone to tell me that, look, you know, like, this is not cool or this you didn't do correct. And I learn from it. So I look at it like that. I don't look at it as criticism. I look at it as constructive, healthy criticism. As long as it's not nasty, I'm good with it. Nasty, I just,
That's the way to go.
Yeah.
Coming to your show, one question I have first off is, what's the importance of having female friends? Like some just person you can count on, female friendship. How important is it in your life? Because I know you guys are like really close.
Look, female bonding, according to me, is of the utmost importance in any woman's life. Having grown up in a family where we were always, I mean, with my mother, me and my sister, I'm very close to my sister. She's my confidant. She's my moral compass. And, you know, I think that even through everything that I have been through in life, and I want to tell this to any woman, it's always a woman that will hold your hand, never a man. You know, you could be having a problem with a man, but the one that's holding your hand is a woman. Whether she's your mother, your sister, your friend, it's a woman. So for me, I think female bonding, female friendships are sacred. Without them, I mean, what is there in life?
Right. Is there any particular achievement that you had in your career that made you feel, I have made it? Like initial days, like once maybe you achieved something. Today you are well established, but towards the initial days, was there any moment when you felt like, oh, now is when I know I've made it, sort of a moment?
You know, I've been very blessed over the years, and I've been working practically my whole life. I started off small, then I chose to keep it small, then I chose to grow it, depending on where I was in my life. I was never in a race with anyone or with myself. I was just pacing everything out and trying to enjoy every part of life. So yeah, I mean, you know, even the little achievements for me were the big ones. Like, you know, when I did pop-ups earlier on, and I used to go, I remember I had this one pop-up and it was like 11 to 7, and by like 3 o'clock I didn't have anything on the racks, and I was like, woof, what a feeling. And you know, the thing about me is that about my work is I'm a creative person. So more than I take so much of, you know, with love, I make my pieces, that when somebody actually appreciates and feels good in it, it's a high for me. It's such a high.
All right. I like your answers, to be honest. You just, another thing from the show that I want to talk about was your sense of humor and the bonding you have with your brother, if I'm right. That was on point.
Listen, this sense of humor you see with me, if you meet my family, it's multiplied by 100. 10x. Oh. It is 10x.
So yeah, I think you're the funnier one in the slot, like the group of yours.
No, I don't know whether I'm the funny. I don't even know when I'm being funny. I'm just, I guess.
That's the identity of a funny person. You just don't try. You just go with it.
Yeah.
So that's so cool.
I laugh my way through life. I mean, quite frankly, what feels better than a good laugh? Really, honestly, if you think back and you sit and you think, when are the times in your life that you really, really felt good? Is when you had that feeling of having a hearty laugh. Nothing compares to that, right?
Yeah. So coming to our next question, what's something you wish people knew like about you?
What people knew about me? You know, it's strange, but I operate a lot of times. I operate out of fear. I have a lot of fears, and I'm learning to deal with it. I have, you know, got help to deal with it. I have practiced meditation, chanting, you name it. I've taken professional help, but I do a lot of my life. I have operated out of fear, but I can, you know, I'm not 100% okay, and I don't know if my personality is the type that I will be 100% okay. But every day is a step forward, so I'm better for it today.